Talking dirty to the man hoarder. He's a species, all right. Listen to the exciting verbal word salad of a great translator. Run the film, boys. For the boys we go. All others alike. 4 link setup. Powerglide trans. Complete 100%. Less motor. New body panels. Good car cheap. Located in Hartford. Nice straight car, isn't anyone racing out there? I do not text. Buying as is, paying fair market value. Cash for vintage bikes like Kawasaki Z1 KZ900, KZ1000, KZ900 H2 750, MK2 Z1 Z1R 1000, MKII H1 500 two-stroke triples, Vincent HRD, Harley Davidson knuckleheads, just to name a few. One bike or a whole 40x60 pole barn full of classic collector motorcycles and NOS motorcycle parts. Wanted old motorcycles, 1930s, 1940s, 1950s, 1960s, 1970s for private collection, in search of 1980 or older Harleys, knucklehead, panhead, shovelhead, flathead, AMF, XR750, XLCR, MX250, Trail 70, Z2, MK22, 900s, Honda CB, CB750, 4, Sandcast, K0, K1, K2, CBX, CB Front F, 7 Films, CB, CBS Filmski, CB Films, CB Fans, CB CB Front, DHC, 9 9 Zone, Kawasaki's KZ900, LTD, KZ300, ST, K400, Zanster Staz, 94, Z1R, Ton, Kazoni Sertigi, Zona Frigman, 106, VZ1 Norton Commando H50, Atlas P-Lance Ranger, Manx Jubilee Navigator, Dunstall Rotary 1970, Dominator Daytona 250. BMW R50 Tat2 R60, R60 Tat2 R90, US R27, R Series, R69 US Airhead, R90R6, R100 RS, R90 US, 1965, R69 650, R69 TR6, Triumph X75, Hurricane Bonneville, X75, Trident Tiger, T120, T140, T160, 1977, Matchless Plow, RTSCR, Single Belt Drive, Yamaha, RD, RD350, RD400, XS1, XS1B R5, XS650, Big Bear, Royal Enfield, Benelli Velocette, Ariel Laverda, R32, Z1A, Z1B, Suzuki GT750, Water Buffalo, RE5, GT38 Sinnoh, GS400, GT500, GT50, T500, Titan Indy GT Water Buffalo, Lehman's Black Shadow, BSA Rocket 3 Gold Star Thunderbolt Lawn Lightning Golden Mower B44, Victor Special A50 Pre-Unit R17, Z1R GTS Indian Chief Junior Scout, Arrow V Twin Tractor Factory Prototype Ducati 750SS, GT860 DM7 Pfizer 900SS Darmadesmo 860 MK3, Diana Elite DM450 Moto Guzzi Le Mans Eldorado Ambassador Falcone Sport Irone Eldorado, Other Rare makes Flying Merkel MV Augusta Pierce Munch, Excelsior Henderson Crocker Bro Superior. Pick up at your location. Very safe. Super easy. So you won't have to bring the motorbike anywhere. Lost title without paperwork. Handwrite bill of sale including vehicle identification VIN. Willing to purchase any condition, good or bad shape. Complete, incomplete. Running restored, needing restoration. As is where is means how this sounds. Located in shabby shed, packed garage or overgrown backyard. Excellent survivor, fixer upper winter project, junker with mechanical problem damage issue, junk, mint. Don't contact trying to buy something. Nothing gets sold, no barter trades. Everything's kept in my personal collections warehouse. Always get paid immediately in person. Count that dough, then we load cargo trailer. Picking up, purchasing, AS is. Selling OEM stock dealer part lots. 1960s, 1970s, Bultaco Husqvarna, 360 Auto 400 Cross, WR 450, Pope Cleveland, JAP Hercules Emblem, Hodaka Rokon, Velorex Vankel, Do 1000. 1962, 60s Duo, Hydra Glide, Hardtail, Softail Collect, 1949, V-Twin, RD 500, 53, RZ 500, 1984, RZ 350, XR 750, 72, S1, KZI, KZTL Mach I, 250C, 350C, 400C, H79, 903, 903CT, 180 silencer, 7 Dunlop Nippon, 26 KZ1000 D1, 900F, Mali 77 MK2. D-Do Bendix, Z-Bauer Du, Z2R ka Z1000 A3 ka Z1000 Wakata Mystery SFC Setehan Sanksantes S2 Yline 9 Shai Sede H1 Novahandas Re Ching E9 Shaisnyawe 13 Famzi E9 Sets Thenti Yoin Shaisis Buko 178 YA1 Handy Prince R16S 968 RT6 AX5 Gold Star R16 US Gel 1000 971 981 Newer Z2B Tone 15 Z2 3 K 500 500 CZ H75E 750C